So do you think you're on Kiss and Tell? Did you get an email from me saying, hi, welcome? Did you get a text message from me saying hello? You're not on it then. Here, I got to show you guys a video because it's really important that if you wanted to be part of the Kiss and Tell program that you sign up before November 1st, because it's free right now. It's going to be $10 starting November 1st. Not that that's a lot of money, but if you can get it for free, then you can get it for free, right? So I want to show you exactly how to do it because I've gotten messages from some of you saying that you are signed up. If you haven't gotten an email from me, you haven't gotten a text message from me, you're not signed up. So I want to show you exactly how to do it, okay? So here's the most important things. Let me share my screen with you, okay? Okay. So you're going to go to the link that is in my posts, it's in my emails to you, all of those things, okay? So this is the link. Now, the most important thing, you guys, you have to go through the link. You have to go through the link that is sent to you in your email. You have to go through the link that's going to be in this post, and you have to make sure that my name is up here. See this? If it doesn't say me, please stop and like send me a message or something or an email or whatever, and I'll be happy to work that out with you. It's so important that you have my name there. Otherwise, you're going to be signed up under a different distributor. We don't want that. Okay. Now, this tells you details about it. And then you just click right here. Click here for long-lasting beauty and skincare. Now, at this point, you need to add something to your cart. Okay. So I'm just going to drop any old thing in there. Let's do a dry daytime moisturizer. All right. Now I'm going to go up to my cart. And I have some items in there now. So let me click on check out. All right. This is where you're going to end up signing up for the program, okay? So you're going to click preferred customer checkout. You don't have to buy any of the things that are in your cart, okay? You're just adding something to your cart to get through this part, okay? Create account. That's not going to work. Cancel. All right, I'm going to have to start over. Checkout. Preferred customer checkout. Invalid date of birth. Yay, I'm not signed up yet. Okay, if you get to this point, you're not done, you guys. Continue to check out. You got an email from Senegence. See, my email just popped up. That's an email from Senegence. It's not an email from me. Okay, this is, you're not signed up yet. This just means that you have an account that you can sign on to Senegence. This does not mean you're in Kiss and Tell. Continue to check out. All right. So you qualified for the following promotions: Kiss and Tell launch promotion. Yay. And then I also have a free Pro Gloss because my order is $100. So you can see here, Kiss and Tell membership. It's in my cart right here. You see this? Now this is where you're going to go. I just want to do the freebie right now. I don't want to get my free gloss today. Okay, so delete the other items in your cart. keep your Kiss and Tell membership, okay? And then proceed to checkout. All right, now I am not going to fill this out because I don't need to start a Kiss and Tell account for myself. But do you guys see what I'm saying? So you have to go through the checkout process, and then you can remove the items from your cart if you want, or you can take advantage of the specials and get your 10% off. And if you do $100 order, then you get a free Pearl Gloss. But you have to go through that entire piece. And then your extra confirmation is to get an email from me and a text message from me. You should get both an email and a text message from me saying welcome to the program. If you haven't got that, then you're not enrolled. Okay. I hope that helps clear things up. Let me just make sure. So make sure that my name's up at the top. Make sure that you see it in your cart and you do that checkout, and you're creating an account is not signing up for Kiss and Tell. Okay, so make sure that you have created an account and that you signed up for Kiss and Tell both, and that you went through that checkout. Okay, oh, I wish it wasn't so confusing, because I know that out of the 400, 500 clients, 400 clients that I have, that only like 14 have signed up. And maybe you just don't want to, and that's okay. There's some of you that just want me to continue to ship to you. I get that, and I'm totally on board with that. That's fine. But if you always want to get 10% off, and you always want to get free shipping on orders of $100 or more, and you want to earn credits, then you want to get your items shipped out right away, especially limited edition stuff that could sell out. This is the way to go for you. And if that is you, then I recommend that you sign up with this. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the link in here. And if you have questions, just let me know. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.